Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the press the PlayStation button on the controller not working when you're using your PS4. So you may be brought to the screen where it says welcome back to PlayStation. Now to fix this, go to the front of your PlayStation 4 and then hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially and then you will hear another beep about 10 seconds later, and your PlayStation 4 will completely turn off. Now with your PlayStation 4 completely turned off, turn it around and unplug it from the wall outlet. So let's unplug it and leave it unplugged for approximately 1 minute and then plug it back in. Now with our PlayStation 4 turned off, we can try turning it on with the PlayStation button on the controller and see if this fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, what we could do is plug it in with a USB cable, just like this, and plug the other end into our controller, and then press the PlayStation button on the controller, and see if this turns on our PlayStation 4. But when we do this, this should bypass the press the PlayStation button on the controller screen, and it should work now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.